Welcome to my channel Ashfaq Biology. MCQs number 1. The multicellular non-tissue organisms are placed in option A. Protozoa, B. Parazoa, C. Metazoa, D. All. Correct option is B. Parazoa. MCQs 2. Tissue level organism placed in option A. Parazoa, B. Protozoa, C. Metazoa, D. Sarazoa. Correct option is C. All animal ingratid bilatera are option A. Diploblastic, B. Triploblastic, C. Tetrablastic, D. Pentablastic. Correct option is B. Triploblastic. MCQs 4. The intracellular digestion in Porifer occur in option A. Amoebocytes, B. Spongocoel, C. Panacoderms, D. Osculum. Correct option is A. Amoebocytes. MCQs 5. Aurella is commonly called option A. Starfish, B. Brittle star, C. Cow, D. Jellyfish. Correct option is D. Jellyfish. MCQ 6. Regeneration is absent in members of class A. Turbellaria, B. Cystoda, C. Trematoda, D. Both B and C. Correct option is D. Both B and C. MCQ 7. In terrestrial arthropods, the exterior pore spiracles lead to option A. Tracheole, B. Air sacs, C. Trachea, D. Alveoli. Correct option is C. Trachea. MCQ 8. In metamorphosis, total number of instar form option A. 3, B. 5, C. 7, D. 8. Correct option is B. 5. MCQs 9. The circulatory system in annelids is option A. Closed, B. Pseudo, C. Both A and B, D. Open type. Correct option is closed. The circulatory system in arthropod is option A. Closed type, B. Mixed type, C. Absent, D. Open type. Correct option is D. Open type. MCQs 11. Book lungs are respiratory organs in arthropoda class. Option A. Crustacean, B. Insecta, C. Arachnida, D. Turbita. Correct option is C. MCQs 12. Placoid scales are present in fishes. Option A. Bony, B. Cartilaginous, C. Lungs, D. Dipnoi. Correct option is B. Cartilaginous. The reptiles have 4 legs and have fingers in each leg? Option A 1, B 2, C 6, D 5. Correct option is D 5. Feathers of birds are waterproof because of the secretion of A. Preen gland, B. Thymus gland, C. Spleen gland, D. Gaster gland. Correct option is A. Preen gland. The homeothermic animals start from class. Option A. Amphibia, B. Reptilia, C. Aves, D. Mammalia. Correct option is C. Aves. The amphibian which have tailless adult but have tailed larva. Option A. Frog, B. Newt, C. Salamander, D. Nectarus. Correct option is A. Frog. The three-chamber heart is found in option A. Aves, B. Reptiles, C. Mammals, D. Amphibians. Correct option is D. Amphibians. The emu have sternum shape. Option A. Non-keeled, B. Boat shape, C. Streamline, D. Keeled. Correct option is A. Non-keeled. The spiny anteater, a proterian, lay eggs in option A. Nest, B. Cavity, C. Uterus, D. Vagina. Correct option is C. Uterus. The living fossil found in New Zealand of class Reptilia is Sphinodon, B. Tajura, C. Emo, D. Tornaria. Correct option is A. Sphinodon.